Hello, and welcome to the draw for Round 6 of the Hahn Australia Cup 2026 Football NSW Preliminary Rounds. Each draw will contain individual screw-top balls, which will be picked today at random by our special guests, Emma Griffin and Aaron Dibden. Today's Round 6 draw will consist of 16 Round 5 match winners. For each match, the first club drawn out will be the home club, and the second club drawn out will be the away club. Commence Round 6 drawing. Match 146. Match winner 141 versus Randwick City. Match 147. St George FC versus Blacktown City FC. Match 148. RP Leichhardt FC versus match winner 144. Match 149. Match winner 143 versus Sydney United 58 FC. Match 150. Wollongong United FC versus Southern and Ettalong United FC. Match 151. Match winner 145 versus match winner 131. Match 152. Match winner 130 versus match winner 139. Match 153. Match winner 132 versus Bankstown United FC. To view the full draw, please visit the Football New South Wales website. Thank you to our guests, Emma Griffin and Aaron Dibden, for their help with today's Hahn Australia Cup 2026 Football New South Wales Preliminary Draw. Good luck to all the clubs in their upcoming matches.